Hi, my name is Roy McDonald from Online Solutions. I just want to record a short video to show you how to attract customers and increase sales using mobile, otherwise known as text messaging. Now, this isn't a rehearsed video, so please bear with me, and I'll just get started straight away. A little bit about myself. I founded the business in 2007, and during 2012, I recruited a project manager, Evelyn, and a programmer, Nick. And between us, we have 37 years of experience developing online marketing or an online presence for businesses. Now, we also work in close association with a company called Text Local Limited, who provide mobile messaging services to over 102,000 customers. This is a screenshot of Text Local, part of their website. They supply the service to a lot of the large businesses like Sainsbury's, Google, L'Oreal, that sort of thing. I'm the Northern Ireland supplier for the company, and I concentrate on businesses, local councils and schools, that sort of thing. But I also supply the service to a lot of customers in the rest of the UK as well. This is a sample of the local councils using the service. Here's a selection of different types of businesses using the service, and it's just to give you an indication of how mobile messaging can help you, because no matter what type of business, I feel there's definitely a real positive use for it, spreading from ladies fashion to travel agencies, car dealers, a service-based business, solicitors, also a beauty salon, and for example the Henderson Group that owns Spar are trialing the system as well. I have personally 401 current customers, and from September 13 there are 1,200 Northern Ireland schools coming on board using the Text Local service as well. Now, consumer buying habits have changed. You need to be available to customers where they spend their time, and part of their time, and indeed a great deal of their time, is spent on their mobile. You need to make sure that when they have something to ask, or they're in buying mode and your business is closed, or they simply just don't want to go out, that they can easily and quickly contact you by text. So how do you best connect and sell to consumers? Well, back in 2007, when I launched the business, I launched Text Solution. It's a mobile messaging system for businesses that we passionately believe help you grow your bottom line profit. And if you look at our website, onlinesolutions.org.uk, you'll see just a few testimonials from our current businesses that are using the service to grow their profit successfully. It's all about driving footfall to your business by developing a contact list of buyers. Now, although I have a few images here as such, like Facebook and that sort of thing, but I want to concentrate on the good old mobile phone, which isn't too far away from most people most time of the day. Now, basically, you can build a contact list of names and mobile numbers of your existing customers and potential new customers as well. And I'll be demonstrating the service to you in the next few minutes, and then use that list to sell to them, basically, to give them information and give them offers and that sort of thing, and directly by text message from your computer. Instantly you can have a message go out to them, and I'm going to be demonstrating that to you very, very shortly. So it's a vehicle which can get you to where you want to go. Text Solution, powered by Text Local. Now, here's a stat which is very interesting. 97.5% of all text messages are opened in 5 seconds. That's a great deal more than email, for example. I think the email open rate is about 20%, and certainly not within 5 seconds. So it's a great way of reaching your customer base. All right, almost 50% of consumers who respond to mobile text marketing go on to buy. So how does mobile messaging work? Well, it works by setting up a text to join campaign where your customers' mobile numbers are added automatically to your contact list. Now, we'll explain this more in a moment or two, but if you can think of large companies who use the service that maybe you're familiar with, like O2. Let's say you hear, there's an O2 competition and it says text O2 to one of these wee short code numbers. Our number is 60777. And what they're doing is, obviously the customer is joining the prize draw first of all, but they're also given their permission to be text with offers in the future. They're adding themselves automatically to your contact list. And this is working currently for hundreds of small businesses. I've been helping them do it, helping them make more profit by using this mobile messaging service. So after watching this video, could I ask you just to take a couple of minutes and go into your mobile, send a text message to put in the number, first of all, 60777. Now that's not a premium number, it's just a standard network rate. And then in the body of the text message, just type 2 words, demo Gus, demo space Gus. And that's just a wee sample one, and you'll notice what happens. By doing that, people are adding, with any keyword like this, they're adding themselves automatically to your database. And also, you're basically growing your base of existing customers and new customers as well. That's the lifeblood of your business, and you're building a really nice mobile database by doing that. Now here's a local company in Armagh, Killeen Hardware, who have come up with a free £50 voucher for one person. So that's the incentive, first of all, for people to text the keyword Killeen to an 077 number that we provide, rather than the little short code 60777 number. And you can notice here that we're making it clear, Killeen's making it clear that by entering the free promotion, the customers are agreeing to receive text messages from them with information on products, special offers, and they can opt out at any time. And the recipient of this voucher will be selected randomly within the next 3 months, and the contact details will never be shared with a third party. So Killeen have built up a good database of customers' mobile numbers, and this is one way you can do it. But you can also put this keyword on your website. Take, for example, let's say they're looking at your website 10 o'clock at night and you're closed. Now, they're in the market for something. Give them an easy way of contacting you, and all they have to do in Killeen's case is text Killeen to that number, and that'll drop into a little inbox on our web-based service, and Killeen can open up their inbox in the morning and pick out all the people that have texted them the previous night. Now take, for example, as well, let's say somebody's phoning you and your phone's engaged, and again, it's frustrating that happens, but you can't help it. You're dealing with other customers, and they maybe move to someone else or go to your competitors or whatever. Again, give them an easy way of texting you. And people are comfortable doing that, and they can do it any time in the day or night. And that's an easy way for you to make sure you don't lose out on business. A QR code, A QR code is basically another way of building a database of buyers as well. And whenever you do speak to me after the video, I can explain a wee bit more about that, but it's very simple to use. This is a screenshot of the mobile messaging service, but I'll be demonstrating it to you just in a moment or two. So if you've got their number, you've got their potential business. It's easy to get started. Get yourself a mobile keyword, number 1. Number 2, build a mobile list of buyers. And number 3, send out text. Here's an example of return on investment. Club World Travel, a local Northern Ireland based business, have 6 offices throughout Northern Ireland. In their first mobile messaging campaign after the setup of their service, sent out 800 texts costing just £39.20, advertising a family holiday, and they got 40 holiday bookings. Now, I'm not promising this level of return every time for you, but historically, my experience of my customers has been 12 to 15% response rate from the text message campaigns, and I can give you ideas on how best to do that. And also at the same time, Club World Travel have been able to increase customer loyalty because it's a very easy way of keeping in touch with people, even if it's just to thank people for their custom, that sort of thing. So that gives you an idea of that. Prices are suitable for all business types and sizes. One thing about mobile messaging, for setting up purposes, very low cost. There's different options, and we can talk to you about that. But we sell mobile messaging services for less because we use the latest technology, keep our costs low, and manage your expectations effectively with no nasty surprises at all. There's a folk saying that I love, if you keep doing what you've always done, you keep getting what you always got. And isn't that the truth? Now, summary of the benefits. Text solution. Build a contact list of names and mobile numbers of customers and potential new customers, increase your sales, and drive down communication costs as well. Very easy to use, increase your repeat orders, improve customer loyalty. Now, why would you consider online solutions for mobile messaging? Well, you're going to get personal attention from me, a local business owner, first of all. In association with Text Local, we're the trusted suppliers to 1,200 Northern Ireland schools, 6 local councils, and hundreds of local businesses as well. And we've a proven track record of success helping small and medium-sized businesses increase their bottom line profits since 2007. Before I give you the demonstration, I want to think of one thing. You're maybe asking the question, how do I know if I'll benefit from a new online marketing strategy I've managed until now? But I want you to think about the lifetime value of repeat business. Now, let's say the average consumer stays loyal to you for 3 years, for example. Let's do some sums here. Take an average £40 shop. One person spends £40 a week in your business, times 52 weeks, times 3 years equals £6,240. Now consider that you have a mobile messaging system and the customer spreads the word about your business, and the average person has a lot of friends, as you know, and a lot of people that they can recommend you to, and they can pass on the text message to others and that sort of thing. Now, they think they'll try you and come in and see you, and 3 people do, which increases that lifetime value to over £18,000 that you would have missed out on. So you can understand that online marketing Text Solution is a great way of inviting more people into your business. Now, maybe, I'm only showing you a figure here, a £40 shop. Maybe they only spend £50 once a month in your establishment, or maybe much less than that. But the maths is the same. And can you afford to miss out on any opportunity to increase profit, especially repeat business? So what do I do next? Just contact me to indicate that you're happy to have a chat. And that's all it is at this stage, just to have a chat with me. And I'm going to give you a quick demonstration now. I'm going to show you examples of how mobile messaging works. And here's another thing I just want to say as well. You can also take a free test drive of our system, Text Solution, to sample it for yourself and give us your opinion. Because look, I've always said this to people, look, I can show you testimonials, I can tell you how confident I am that you love the service, but here, sample it for yourself. Test it out for yourself. I can do that, say, for like a 14-day test drive, for example, and tell me what you like about it. Give me your opinion. In other words, you'll get your login details to go into it, and you can have a look around and send out some free, I will put some free text messages on it for you just to sort of test it out. And you'll see that it's very easy to use, but you'll get my personal help with that as well. So I'm just going to go in now to the system. You log in with your email address and a password that's given to you from any web-based system as such, PC, laptop, or whatever. There's even an app now for mobile phones. Now, I want to go first of all where it says receive, view inboxes. I'm going to go down to where it says demo Gus, because that's the one we used that you can send a text to. I'll open that up. And there, do you see the little inbox? Click on the inbox, and in there you can see people that have been texting me. Now, basically, this is how you build your database of buyers, potential buyers, mobile numbers, and there's all the growing list that you can build through that little keyword, whatever your keyword is. People text it, and it drops automatically into an inbox. And then all you do is go to where it says send text message. Open up your inbox. Let's go down to demo Gus. I have that many in here just for sample purposes. There it is there. And you can see there's 60 people in there. Now it doesn't matter about 60 or 600 or 6,000. That'll go instantly to them. Now here's some cool features here. You see where it says insert merge fields. If I click on that and then put in first name, that means that our system automatically puts in the first name of everyone who's on your list, providing you have names there. And that's a great way of personalizing the text message as well. Now, here's wee feature up here. You can put the name of your business subject to 11 characters maximum on the text message, so no, it's not coming from a personal mobile, it's from a proper business service as well. Now, there's a little scheduler there where you can actually create a message today and have it sent out on a later day. And maybe like appointment reminders, that sort of thing, or you can have it delivered at night when people are at home rather than during the day. That's a good feature as well. And this is where you can print out your special offer weekend or whatever you want to type out in your message. So that is very, very good as well. Now I want to show you our latest feature, which is the first of its kind in the UK, certainly. And this is the ability. This is a fantastic feature because you know the way for years you've been able to attach a document to an email. Well, now you can put an attachment to a text message, which is incredible. Now, basically, if you go to where it says add attachment, go to the wee link that says attachment. Now, you can send out any type of file. You can see down here, if you can read it down here, the list of files. It could be a Word document, like it could be an invoice, it could be a letter you want to send to a customer and put it on straight onto their mobile phone. It could be a coupon that you want to send them. That's great for sending out. I can help you with the design of mobile coupons as well. And basically, I'll just let you see this working. You click on in this case, the coupon. There's the coupon that up there. You insert the file, and there it is, a little link. It's a little clickable link for anyone with an internet connected mobile, which is nearly 70% of people now, and they can click on the link and open up on their mobile device the whatever you want. It's like a little advert. You can send an advert basically to them, and you could basically send anything. So that's a great feature as well. A couple of other features. Report section is where you can record the messages that you're sending out, and it'll tell you individually that they're all delivered. And if you spot one that says not delivered, at least you know that you can go back to them. You've maybe used the wrong mobile number, that sort of thing. Now you can have contact groups as well. Now let's say you're a car dealer and you want to have people in different types of groups. You know, you sell Mazdas, Vauxhalls, and Peugeots, and you can put them all individually. No matter what type of business, then you can segment your target market and send it out to people, maybe based on their age group, their likes and dislikes, whatever products they buy. That's easy way of doing that as well. So basically, I'm just making sure what I've said. You can do surveys. There's little surveys of customers as well you can do. So everything is available within this here, folks. And what I would suggest is for you to contact me. Because as I say, there's absolutely no risk whatsoever. I'll let you use the system. I'll give you free tax credits to have a wee test, a wee play around log. You'll get login details. Make sure you're 100% satisfied that you love the system before we discuss anything about payment. It is low cost. I don't want to mention the price because there are different options, and I'd rather you talk to me about that to give you the different options on that. So many thanks for watching this short video, and please get in touch with me. We can have a chat. There's no obligation whatsoever, but at least you can check out the service for yourself. Thank you again. Take care, and bye for now.